Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. So what I'm going to do today is a Tradesy unboxing. This is my first time purchasing anything from Tradesy. I was a little bit apprehensive, but I just decided to give it a chance. If this doesn't go right, this will be the last time I ever purchase anything from Tradesy. So what I did purchase was a mini pochette. The description of the item that I actually purchased said mini pochette makeup pouch. I'm not sure why they added that addition on. You can use a mini pochette as a makeup pouch, but that's not what it's called. It's called a mini pochette. The purchasing price was extremely low, like lower than any other mini pochette on the website, so I was a little bit skeptical in regards to that as well. But like I said, I just went ahead and purchased the item, and hopefully it is what I'm expecting it to be. So it came in this box. It's packaged very well. So let me go ahead and open it up. And one thing that makes me a little bit apprehensive about purchasing things off of Tradesy is because I feel like their authenticity promise is not as good as Fashion Files is. So when I purchase things off of Fashion File, I know with extreme confidence that the items are authentic, but purchasing things off of Tradesy, it even says it on the website, like some of the items happen to be fake. So if it is fake, you only have 4 days to return the item. So this actually came in the mail yesterday, so that means I have I can't return this today because it's Sunday, so I have like 2 days to return it if this isn't what I want it to be. And that's kind of a hassle. I shouldn't have to do all that. You know, if the website boasts itself to be like a pre-loved luxury item, not a pre-loved knockoff, you know, website. That was harder than I thought it was going to be. All right, so came with this stuff in there. This is the wrapping. This is the box. Honestly, this doesn't impress me because you can buy Louis Vuitton boxes online. So that does not mean it's real. And just, I think this came with like receipts and stuff, and it's like a brand new one. So I'm actually really excited about that. All right, dust bag. Like I said, you can get these anywhere. All right, so this is the bag. And yes, it looks like a mini pochette. This is really cute, actually. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. Okay, so Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So one dead giveaway that this would have been fake is if it said like an actual city instead of a country. So this says made in France, so that is good. All right, I'm opening it. The tags are on the inside. Okay, so this is looking good. I feel like I lucked out on this one. I think people weren't purchasing this mini pochette just because it was so cheap, and like myself, I was very skeptical. But I'm glad I went ahead and purchased this. So on the website, it did not show the date code on the inside of it, which I hate when people show the date codes online because people can copy the date codes. But I do see it here. It's kind of hard to see, but the little tag that has the date code on it is right there. All right, so it's red on the inside like it should be. And yes, I love it. So these are the little snaps. hope this is focusing in for you guys. So you can take it off. And kind of wear it as a wristlet if you want to. I'm not sure how I'm going to be wearing this as of now. I really purchased this to be like a catch-all in my bag. So I'm not sure if I'm really going to be like wearing it out at all. But we'll see, you never know. So yes, it has one little Louis Vuitton mark or emblem here. So I am pretty confident that this is an authentic Louis Vuitton piece that is literally brand new, and I got it for a steal because no one else was purchasing it. So to the seller I purchased this from, thank you. I don't know if you can like send thank you notes to, actually I can. I'm pretty sure I can contact the seller, but I'm gonna let the seller know that I received the item and it's perfect. I love it. And I read the reviews on Tradesy, and I really did see a lot of bad reviews on people getting things that were not in the condition that they were described, and that sort of thing. So I kind of came into this purchase with a skeptical mindset, but this one worked out for me, and I'm very pleased. I'm so happy with it. And just to compare, I do have an authentic Louis Vuitton piece that I purchased before. This is the Clemence wallet, and I'm matching up the print together, and it is identical. Same color and everything. My wallet has one, where is it? Okay, it has one Louis Vuitton piece here, and I actually got this one from the Louis Vuitton store online. The nearest Louis Vuitton store is actually 3 hours away from me, which is why I didn't just go and get this in person. So I'm very happy about this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see a review on my wallet, I will do that. Just comment down below if you want to see that. That's all I have here. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Let it snow.